Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll show you what the Olavita Botox Serum is, what it offers, and how to use it. So, let's get started. As you can see by the official websites, Olavita Botox Face Serum is a powerful anti-aging solution designed to revitalize your skin and restore your youthful glow. So basically, it's an anti-aging facial serum designed to help improve the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dull skin, and other things as well. The company says that the serum is formulated to support collagen and elastin production while helping the skin appear smoother, firmer, and more hydrated with consistent use. According to the website, if you click on the ingredients, you'll be able to see the ingredients included in the syrup, also with a short description of each ingredient. And of course, before purchasing, make sure to take a few minutes to carefully review the product's information, the ingredient list. Since skincare products may affect everyone differently, it's always a good idea to do your own research and make sure that the serum is suitable for your skin before placing an order. And according to the official website, you'll find here how to use the Olavita serum. So basically, you'll have to begin by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser. If you normally use a toner, apply it before the serum. Next, you'll have to place a few drops of the serum into your fingertips and gently massages over your face and neck using upward motion. Paying extra attention to areas where the fine lines or wrinkles allow the serum to absorb, then apply your moisturizer moisturizer. And the company recommends using the serum both mornings and evening as a part of your daily skincare routine and applying sunscreen during the day. So if you decide to purchase the serum, you'll have to visit the official website, click an example on try. They'll take you where you can buy it. Keep in mind that they do have packages, so you'll have to choose the package that you want. Once you do so, you'll have to enter your shipping information, payments information. But before placing your purchase, carefully review the pricing, shipping information, return policy, and any subscription options so you know exactly what you're ordering. Taking a few extra minutes to read the product details and doing your own research is always recommended. And of course, if you have any questions, they do have a frequently asked question section, as you can see, if you have one of those questions. And as with any skincare products, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor or healthcare provider before using it. If you have a sensitive skin or existing skin condition, also make sure to do your own research and only continue if you're comfortable with the products and its claims. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.